Hey, what's flying guys? I'm Max and this is Max from Drone, and today I'm in vacation. I'm in far east in Montreal, about 10 hours drive. I want to scuba dive in Percé, Gaspésie, but first I needed to stop at this lighthouse over there. So that means we're gonna fly the drone around this while I explain what this lighthouse was built for. So let's go for it. The first Martre lighthouse was built in 1876 by the federal government to meet the growth in maritime traffic and the need to provide better safety for navigation between the Madeleine and the Captcha lighthouses, using the original system of weights and cables. The first Martre lighthouse, a square, tapered, 64-foot-tall wooden tower with an attached keeper's dwelling, was built in the tiny village of Martre, overlooking the Gulf of St. Lawrence River in 1876. The total cost for the lighthouse came to $7,347 at that time. Jean-Baptiste Gauthier, the first keeper of the lighthouse, raised a family of 8 children, 2 of whom followed in their father's footsteps and joined the lighthouse service. The second keeper, Auguste Leclerc, watched the construction of the current tower, which was completed in 1906. Standing 63 feet tall, the wooden octagonal tower is supported inside by massive beams, which are 10 inches square and nearly 40 feet long, and is painted bright red with a large vertical white stripe on its seaward side. Along with the lighthouse, a fog alarm building was built with an extension for air tanks and a diaphone. The fog alarm building was also painted red, and the diaphone fog signal commenced operation on August 10, 1906, sounding a 5-second blast in each minute when needed. Though fully automated, Martre is the only light in Quebec that operates in a non-automated manner during the day, so that tourists can see the Fresnel lens rotating in its mercury bath. Named after a nearby Martin River, Martre Lighthouse is considered by some to be the crown jewel of the Gaspé lighthouses. Martre Lighthouse was declared a recognized federal heritage building in 1988. And there you go. I hope you like what you saw and what you learned about the Martre Lighthouse in Gaspésie, Quebec. And if you did, you know what you do. And thanks for supporting my channel. Fly safe, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.